Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about a topic that can truly change the way you think about investing. Why patience pays off in the long run. Now, I know it's tempting to chase short-term gains, but let me show you why long-term investing is where real wealth is built. Stick around, because I'll also be sharing some real-life examples and tips to help you make the most of your investments over time. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips to grow your wealth. Let's start with a question. Why do so many people fall into the short-term trap? It's simple. Short-term gains feel exciting. You buy a stock, watch it jump up in price, and boom, you made a quick profit. But here's the catch. That excitement can lead to poor decisions. When the market dips, people often panic and sell. And that's where they lose out. Short-term thinking causes investors to react emotionally, which is risky. Think about it this way. Would you sell your house just because the market dropped for a year? Probably not. You'd hold on because, over time, real estate tends to increase in value. The same is true with the stock market. Now, let's move on to the real secret of long-term investing: compounding returns. The longer you hold your investments, the more your money has the chance to grow. Not just from the stock price going up, but from your returns building on each other year after year. Here's a simple example. Let's say you invest $10,000 and earn an average return of 7% per year. After 10 years, you'd have almost $20,000. But if you hold for 30 years, that $10,000 grows into over $76,000. That's the magic of compounding. The longer you're in the market, the more your money works for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about market crashes? Here's the thing. Market volatility is normal. Stocks go up and down, sometimes dramatically. But if you're a long-term investor, volatility becomes your friend. When the market dips, it can be a great opportunity to buy more at a lower price. It's like getting your favorite stocks on sale. And remember, historically, the market has gone up about 76% of the time. So, instead of selling when prices fall, long-term investors stay calm and even add to their portfolios during downturns. Over time, they reap the rewards. Think back to the 2008 financial crisis or the 2020 pandemic. People who panicked and sold during those crashes lost money. But those who stayed invested, they saw incredible growth during the recovery. Let me give you a real-world example. Have you heard of Amazon? Today, it's one of the biggest companies in the world. But if you'd invested in Amazon back in 1997, you would have experienced some wild price swings. In fact, during the dot-com crash, Amazon stock dropped by almost 90%. Imagine being an investor back then. It would have been hard not to sell. But here's the thing. If you held on through all the ups and downs, your investment would be worth over 400x what it was in 1997. That's the power of long-term thinking. Patience pays off. Another benefit of long-term investing is dividends. Dividends are payments that companies make to shareholders, and they can be a great way to earn passive income while you wait for the stock price to grow. Even better, if you reinvest your dividends, you're buying more shares automatically. Over time, that can add up to a significant increase in your total wealth. Look for companies with a strong track record of increasing their dividends, like Johnson & Johnson or Coca-Cola. These companies have been paying dividends for decades, rewarding patient investors year after year. And there you have it, why patience truly pays off in investing. Remember, short-term gains might be exciting, but real wealth is built over time. The longer you stay invested, the greater your chance of success. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips on building long-term wealth. Also, let me know in the comments, are you a long-term investor or do you get tempted by short-term moves? I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.